etc., which are critical customer requirements. Today, if you talk to any management person in an organization, whether it be manufacturing, whether it be services, now you ask him what are the highest business risks in a large manufacturing domain using ERP, etc. The management would say one of the first risks is low order position. Subsequently, maybe non-availability of raw material. Somewhere in this list, at the highest end, would be non-availability of IT. IT leads to major business risks. These can be grouped into non-availability of assets, non-availability of service, non-availability of DR site, certain times omission of critical periodic tasks, and inappropriate planning. At asset, if a core switch in a data center goes down, the whole IT environment is not available. Services, it could be any of the application services. DR site, in case it does not come up as per the plan, there would be challenges. Backup, we understand, is a critical periodic task. In case backup is not correct, then restoration cannot happen. Inappropriate planning, if it so happens that the DR site and the main data center is located significantly far apart, but within, for example, say just hypothetically between Mysore and Bangalore, two cities in India, spread well apart. But sometimes political situations like Kaveri water unrest may put both the centers not available for service provision. Similarly, in a data center, UPS all would say is there for backup. It will give 30 minutes, 45 minutes of backup. Today, a high density data center have server racks which use power more than 10 kVA per rack. Any of the OEMs would say, server OEMs, that their servers will literally fry in 8 minutes, heat up. Meaning that just considering UPS as a backup is an inappropriate planning. It is primarily only for switching and not for sustained operations. We are looking at some examples of loss to business due to outage. This is an article of IDG where they are talking about 25%
Mr. Bose, your voice is not coming. We've lost your audio.
and outages.
Mr. Bose, your audio went off for a while. Can you please repeat what you said?
Sure. Now we are looking at cost of unplanned IT outages. The CIO magazine had put it at a figure of US $2.8 million per hour. KPMG in its research has said that more than 24% of organizations have said that 2 hours of downtime is unacceptable. There are other examples of financial losses. The hourly cost of outage actually through some data looks at $42,000. The scope of downtime per year is been shown by Gartner as 87 hours of downtime per year. And in this, the majority cause of performance errors are misconfigurations. 60% of availability and performance errors are due to faulty configuration, change management. And
Please check your audio connections. Your voice is going on and off again. Mr. Bose, I would like to interrupt you. Can you please check your audio connections? Your voice is going on and off again and again.